Hey guys, today I am making some skinny tumblers for some of my friends and their companies, so I thought I would let you join me and see what I end up making. Okay guys, this is my finished set of tumblers. Now, I kind of screwed up and these two, mine and my friend Nikki's, both turned out upside down. And that's my fault for not paying attention. It's so crazy because I saw that this one was upside down and I totally turned it around and then just totally didn't even think of it on the other one. So 3 of them are done. These 2 I'm actually gonna try in a totally different tumbler. So I'm gonna try it on an aluminum tumbler just to see what the difference is. So I'm gonna show you guys that in the next video. It's starting to get easier. Since this was only my second time of doing it, I'm starting to kind of pay attention to the nuances, what I need to do. You know, I've been so worried about making it nice and tight that I wasn't paying attention to whether they were upside down or not. So I'm pretty excited to try it in a totally different tumbler and see what happens. And I'll show you the results with these 2 so you can get an idea of, you know, what it looks like if you get metal versus this white.